Hey guys, welcome to another live. Craig, what's going on, man? Oh, bro, my little brown chicken, the one that loves me so much, passed away, man. All right, hold on. Oh boy, it is what it is. What I found out is, and I'm going out to go get it tomorrow. The water froze, and doggone chickens haven't had no water in a couple of days because my water thing is lasts for a whole week, and the water was frozen. They hadn't had water, so the brown one passed away. And that chicken was my favorite little chicken, man. It's all good. This is my little green egg chicken. It's a mixed breed. That's why it lays green eggs. I came in this morning and I had no feeding inside of them because it couldn't eat. Because every time they eat, they have to drink water. And when I said it was up there, it was weak. So I found out, got fresh water. When I got the water tank, it was frozen. And that thing drank water for about a good 10 minutes. Oh, I felt so bad for them. So I'm gonna go to Tractor Supply and get that heated water tank for them. It is what it is. Also, tomorrow I'm gonna go to the farmer's market and I'm gonna get another chicken, the same color, same one. I think it's called Americana. Yeah, I'm gonna get another one. Oh boy, it is what it is. I love my animals. I used to raise birds, doves, and the one I just showed you hasn't laid no eggs. This one all week because I wasn't here and the water was frozen. But since I fed them, they had food, gave them water and everything. Look, laid me a green egg. So let me take this out. And also, I checked it out. It could stress them out if they can't lay because the eggs are sitting inside of them. And it also will kill them. And they need the water. Everybody needs water. You see how lively it is now? Jumping all over the place. It sat there for about 10 minutes of drinking water. At least 10 minutes. Yeah, so that's my goal. Go to Tractor Supply, get that heated water tank. Plug it in. Gotta let my animals survive, man. Look. And I went to what they call it. It's the sun shining off of it. That's why you see that color. I went to Ingles, and a dozen of these eggs right here, these green eggs in Ingles, is $7. $7 for a dozen. So I got a nice little chicken there that's doing its thing, you know. It's a rare chicken. It's a crossbreed. Now People, and I keep stressing it. My oregano, it don't die. Rosemary don't die. This oregano again. Strawberry don't die. Thyme don't die. Mint don't die. They just multiply. Okay? All this here is from me cleaning my chicken coop. And I also have horse manure in here. Also, what I'd have, let me tell you guys what I have in here. You see all this growing? All of this. You see, trying to grow. All your scraps from the house. Anything you peel, vegetables, fruits, anything, peel them, toss them in, cover them up. Let the winter. This right here, last week, I cleaned the chicken coop. I covered it. Okay. But check this out. Let me show you on this side. Right here, down here. Look how it's break down into, it looks like dirt. It just break down. It's the best manure you could get. All this stuff that I put in, if you peel potatoes, you put it in there. Guess what? It'll grow back. The skin alone from the potato will grow. All this here, if you see all this stuff growing, that's another thing I do. I don't, sorry, something got in my shoes. All this is growing. See all this? I do not feed my chickens chemicals. This is all seeds that I feed them. Corn, wheat, you name the seeds. Let me go show you guys. I just feed them seeds. I can't give them the chemical stuff. All this is seeds. All seeds. Sunflower seeds, all type of seeds in here. All type of seeds. So all you see that's trying to grow back in here is from me cleaning the chicken coop to make fertilizer. All this thing you see trying to grow back is seeds. It's all seeds. Not giving them no chemicals. They have a thing called it's a feeding they have to make your chicken lay eggs. Chicken can lay eggs without that stuff. If you have chicken, look at them. Look at them looking for me. Hold on. Let me zoom in. Look at them. They're looking for me because I treat them good. I treat them real good. Look at them. I'm right here. I'm right here. I treat them good. You treat your animals good, they treat you good. These right here, this is dry brown worms. Let me zoom out. This is dry brown worms. This is what I give them. This is for protein, calcium, and all that stuff. This helps with their feathering and with the eggs. And the chicken, they love it, as you can see. I'm not giving them no chemicals that layer feeding and all that stuff. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I don't know what's in that feeding. I don't know what they make that feeding with. And I know they make it with chemical. If it's not wheat, seeds, natural stuff. When I cut my grass, I throw it in. The chicken, they eat it up. They eat the grass. Try to give my chicken natural stuff. You understand? When you give your chicken natural stuff, they give you natural eggs. I'm not trying to give them that all that chemical stuff to make them lay 1,000,000 eggs. I don't want 1,000,000 eggs. I want good eggs, natural eggs. Look at my boys. Well, I could say my girls. Come on, baby. Look at them. Look at it. Chickens run away from people. Look at it. They love me, man. And I love them too. But the brown one passed away because I'm going to show you guys. That feeder, it fell below the freezing and it was frozen. So they didn't have no water. And I'm home every weekend. That feeder lasts for one. That water feeder lasts for 1 week. That regular feeder lasts for 1 week. Right now, let me show you guys. Back up, move. Let me show these guys. I don't want them to think I'm treating you guys bad, because I'll leave you for 1 week. This was 1 week worth of feeding, and it's still feeding still in there. Okay. So they have feeding, they have water, but the problem is water. They need water. Everybody needs water. The water was frozen, and my other one died. Like I said, this one, I gave them, I emptied out, cleaned the water this morning when I got home, and it stayed there for about 10 minutes drinking water. 10 minutes. I said, oh, that's the problem. Water was frozen. I ain't gonna let that happen again. I love these guys too much. And yes, I said it. I love my little chickens. They're my little company. People. I left the city. I'm in the country. I'm not trying to make no friends up here. Don't need no friends up here. These are my friends. Chickens, my garden, and cooking. Those are my friends. Nick, respect my brethren. Respect, welcome. Yeah. So tomorrow I'm gonna get another Americana chicken, because doggone chicken passed away, man. And I was trying to do some research. Why would the chicken pass away? Why? When I came home, I found out water was frozen. I haven't had no water. But I can fix that. Right, this one right here, like I said, was weak. Wasn't eating nothing. When I found out the water was frozen, I changed out the water. That thing stayed there for 10 minutes drinking water. Look, drinking water now. 10 minutes. I said, okay. The other one died from thirst. They eat, they have to drink. Team Happy, blessings and respect. Welcome. So, everything I deal with the chicken, I use them for the eggs and all the food, all the look at them scratching. All the shavings that I put on the ground, all of that comes in handy. I use it for manure. I also have cow manure in here. I have peels from all the peels from the house. And you guys, you know I love cooking. Peels from the house, cow manure, horse manure, and chicken manure. All in here. All in here. Next year, God bless everybody. Listen, the crop that I have, that I'm gonna reap next year, gonna be awesome. I'm not trying to go out there and buy no fertilizer with chemical in it. The passion fruit's supposed to come back. I have plans for that. I'm gonna put it on the trellis next year. And I want to show you guys something, which it's just crazy. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you something. You see this? This is the purple passion fruit, and they call this the green passion fruit. It didn't die. It didn't die. It could withstand the cold. The purple one can withstand the cold. It can't withstand the cold, but I know for a fact it'll come back. I have plans for it. I'm gonna get some nice passion fruit next year. And I also learned how to pollinate passion fruit by hand. Gungo tree, it started blossom. This happens every year, but it's not gonna stop me from growing it. What I did was every year, okay, when I first started, I think it was June. I planted the seed. Frost hit it. Then I went to April. Start blossom, frost hit it. Now I'm gonna do March or even February. I'm gonna do February and see if I can get something out of it. You know, I'm just gonna go back when I plant the seed a month. All this right here, I'm gonna cut this. I usually use the leaf blower. I'm gonna cut this, gather it up, all of it, and put it right in my pile here. All this. I'm gonna use all this with my mulch, breaking down. I'm gonna mix that into it. And I'm trying to build a super fertilizer, a natural super fertilizer, put it that way. I can't use chemical. I don't want to use chemical, and I'm not going to use chemical. Over here is my tomatoes. This was my grapevine. My tomatoes was growing so tall. They were growing so tall, I had to put them on top of the grape thing. So what I'm gonna do is take all of this tomato stuff, I'm gonna mix it in. I'm gonna mix it all in with my fertilizer. Peppers. All this, I'm gonna cut this down, mix it in. I'm gonna use the same thing that I grow. I'm gonna use it for fertilizer. Look at my babies. I cover this all up, trying to give them some protection from the cold. Even summertime, I still have to cover it up because I have to give them protection from the heat. Right, baby? Right? What's the matter? I'm gonna get you another sister tomorrow. All right, guys. Let me get you another companion tomorrow. That's right. I talk to my chickens. This right here, onion. Look at this. This is onion that I cut from, I'm using an onion to cut the top. Boom. Take the top, come plant the top. I'm gonna get onions. All my fruit trees over here. Look at my buddy. Look at my buddy. Come here, Wally. Come here, boy. Come here, buddy. What's up, buddy? What's up? You alright? Alright. I'll get you some food. That's my neighbor's cat. If you guys remember, he's here more than he's over there. Banana tree, he's gonna come back. These right here, I don't know about, they were kind of young, small, baby banana. I don't know if they're gonna come back. It's alright. This persimmon tree right here, I plant this. No, it's not a persimmon. It's a pomegranate. I planted this 4 years ago. A little tiny little thing. Every year it gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, it got big this year. Let's see. So I got persimmon, plum. Is that plum? Yeah, no, I'm sorry. What is that one? What is that one? Nectarine. Nectarine. This persimmon tree did great this year. Great. Over there, I got raspberry growing, and if you could see with the ones with the leaves, the brown leaves, it was just a little piece I took from the back. It's going all over the place. They're very nice. Over here is my peach tree. Did great this year. Plum tree did great this year. All right, I'm debating now. My pear tree, thumbs down. Nothing. 4 years. No, 4? 3? 3 years. No, 4 years. Bastard. Another pear tree. 4 years. You don't produce, and if you don't produce, cutting you down, pulling you out. Pomegranate. All right. Cherry tree. Did great the first year. Great. After that, second year, third year, nothing. Cutting you down if you don't produce next year. I don't have time for all these trees to be taking up all the energy out the soil and not giving me nothing. I buy you for a reason. So, you don't produce? Come on, buddy. Come on. You don't produce? I'll cut you down. Put something else that will produce. I hope this door is open. I swear that, oh, that door is locked. Let me go around and show you my oasis now. And don't forget, I'm in North Georgia. And some of these things that they said can't be done in North Georgia, I'm doing it. The main road is up there. I got some wood here because I did the concrete. I'm gonna use those wood to build a trellis for the passion fruit. Woo. Get my egg. Go get a tarp to cover my big boy over here. This one is done. This is garbage. About to get rid of it. Gotta get a new one. Get inside here. Take my shoes off. I'm sorry. That was walking outside. Put this on. Put my green egg down. And to the basement. My basement greenhouse. You could build it yourself. Let's get some heavy duty plastic. Over here in the basement. Over here. When I get this basement done, the bathroom's gonna be over here. So alright. People grass. Oh, or grass. Pineapple. Guineps. Guys, every year I show you these. Guineps. That's from seeds. These are the peppers I took from outside. But like I told you guys in the last video, I cut everything down. So all the energy won't be going towards the leaves and stuff. I cut them down and repotted them, take them out the ground, repotted them. See, they sprout new leaves. This tree right here is my East Indian mango tree. To bring it out, East Indian mango tree. This is my Cuban thyme. I'll just put these in there. Pineapple, blah blah blah. This is my jackfruit tree. Okay. And what I use down here, you don't have to get a whole bunch of agriculture grow lights and stuff. I use these. I have 3 of them, nice and warm in here. Now, this is my Julie mango tree. Look at it. Stock comes. Put my. Sorry, folks. Hold on, folks. Me and my daughter here. Where you going, man? You going out?
Yeah, I gotta drop this stuff off.
Tell them I say what's up.
Sure will.
All right. Over here, as you can see, let me go back here and show you guys, because I'd rather explain to you guys what's going on. There was a tree up there by the side of the road, a fig tree. So I cut a piece of it and I stuck it in the ground. In the past 2 years, I've been getting some nice fig. So every year, what I do is I cut back. I cut it back and it springs back up, because I don't want it too big. over here now, this, I'm planning to get this out. I don't know if it's a good idea because it's always moist over here. Don't get the sun, but it's always moist. And I'm planning to put some banana trees here. Or planting trees or whatever. Over here, going up the driveway, I want to put some roses. All different color roses along, going straight down. In these boxes, that's why I said I could never be out of lettuce. What I did was I plant my lettuce, eat what I have to eat, and let the rest of them seed, go to seeds. And I cut them down and I put them all in here. And every year I get lettuce seeds. I mean, fresh lettuce coming out, growing. And the winter doesn't bother these. So springtime, I just pick them out and plant them separate. I get my nice lettuce. And these are romaine lettuce. So you can plant lettuce. Eat all your lettuce that you can, but let a couple of them go to seed. And let the seed fall, and you'll get lettuce back. You'll get lettuce, constantly get lettuce every year. And that's what I do. Guys, you know I'm on the road all the time. Oh, this right here is some nice healthy cucumbers. So what I did was I cut them up, put them in a bottle, and let them stay in the bottle. Close the bottle, and every year I just throw some of the seeds out and plant them, and they come right back. See, it's still moist in there. So I'll have cucumber seeds again next year. All you have to do is put them in a bottle, cut them up, put them in a bottle, and let them just stay there. Let them stay there. You'll plant them next year. It's a little bit too cold now to put the cucumber seeds in the ground. And that was cucumbers, folks. I said lettuce. It's too cold now, but in like February, you could put the cucumber seeds in the ground. They'll grow. They'll come. Look at my babies. It's kind of chilly out here, but I'm out here with them. When I'm home, hey, you gotta show them love, because guess what? They're feeding me. They're giving me eggs. I already got 2 eggs from this one today. That one was stressed out. And today was the first I got eggs because of the water and the thirst and everything. So, every day you watch them, you study them, and you learn more and more about them. Look. Let me see something. Come here. Come on. Yeah, that's it. Look at you. All right, go ahead. Yeah, I gotta get another one just like my brown one, the Americana. I don't plan to stay on this too long. Matter of fact, I just come on here to give you guys an update. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for coming. I appreciate everything. And God bless everybody.